Hi everyone, so I have a haul from craftartclub.com. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to do a video with them, where they would send me products, and I said yes. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. I love getting these cases. They are amazing. They do work for putting your little drill bits into these, and I'll show you that right now as well. But I also wanted to share that after you use your little drill bits from your diamond paintings, you can leave it empty like this and save it for your next project, or you could go ahead and even fill these with items. So I'm going to show you right here. Here is the case. I love that I could just take out one row and then I have it right here ready to go. I don't need to take out everything else. So this was a brand new pack of jump rings from Hobby Lobby. So these are the huge ones. So I did need 2 compartments to get them all to fit. And then these were the 6mm jump rings, and the whole entire brand new pack fits in there perfectly with even some extra room, you can see. So I probably could have got all of these in there if I would have kind of like shook it around, but I figured why even bother? I could just go ahead and split it, no problem. And then I had just bought these from Amazon, so I stuck them in here. And I like that these are clear because like this, I put the packaging so I know what size these were. And these are just some jumbo eyelets that I bought off of Amazon. And then each color went ahead and fit in one little compartment. So yes, I love these cases. There's so many different uses for these. They're just amazing. I absolutely love those cases. So I got that. And then I did get this little pretty box right here. And it has 4 little stars and a diamond, and it's heart shaped. And this is for your drill bits. So this is just like the trays that come with each kit, but you can just go ahead and use this one. And I like that I could go ahead and put a color in here, and then if I need to step away from my desk, I could just go ahead and put the lid back on, and then that way it'll go ahead and secure all the little bits in here. So I'll show you that right now. And here is my project that I chose. So right here it is. So I picked hearts. Aren't these so pretty? I can't wait to open these and see what everything looks like. There we go. So this is the tray right here. That's what this heart is right here. But like I said, I like that I could just go ahead and put the lid on and keep my little drill bits in there if I wanted. But it does come with a tray. This is your pen and this is your wax. So you are going to go ahead and take your pin right here. You're going to get some wax on the end. You're just going to poke that through. So you can see I got some wax. And then that wax is now sticky, and that's what you're going to use to go ahead and pick up all your little rhinestones or your drill bits, depending on what you have. And then here are the different hearts that I got. So there's this one, I think is a pink. This one appears to be a white, a red, and a blue. So that's what those look like. And then here are our drill bits. Right here. So for these, you see it has like, this is the little star. So these stars are that star right there. And then over here, you see this is the dash line. So that's going to go in here. So I'm going to show you how I set these up. I have changed the way I set everything up now. So what I do is I just put everything into these. And I used to cut off the label and tape it to the container. But I realized that I can actually use a Sharpie and I can write whatever the symbol, whatever the letter or number is. And then with just some alcohol, the Sharpie will actually come off. So I figured that's just, you know, easy enough that I could go ahead and do that. So now what I do, whoopsie, is I'll go ahead and I'll take these and I'll cut the corner off here. I'll pop this open like that. And we'll go ahead and we'll just drop these into here. I'm gonna open up another one. I don't like to overfill them. I mean, I could have probably, like I said, shook it all down and got it all into that one compartment, but I'm fine with using more than one. Just one more in there. Get that one out. And then now for these, this is the symbol right here that I need to put. So I need to know that these are just a little line like that. So I'll go ahead and I'll do that. Then we go ahead and we'll put this, we'll finish that one off in there. So I'm going to assume that this is going to need all four. So I'm going to put that off to the side and then I'll show you another one. So for this one, again, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the corner here, pour it into my container. Okay, I'll go ahead and get the rest of these out. But again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my Sharpie. So here is my symbol. This is going to be the plus symbol for this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my little plus. So that's what I do now with all of these. And then, like I said, just with the little alcohol, some nail polish remover, those will go ahead and come off. Now to go ahead and put these together, I'll use this one since I have both those colors out. So all that you do is you carefully pull back that top little film right there. And then you have your little tray right here. So you just pour some out. And then I close this back up and I put it back so that way I don't knock it over. And I just work with what I have in my tray. Because trust me, it's easy to just smack it off your table. I've done it so many times, more times than I want to admit to. And since we already put the wax on our pen, I'm just going to go ahead and pick it up and place it right there. So just pick up our little rhinestone, place it on top, and that's all that it is to it. See, and I love these. If you are going to get into doing these, I highly recommend finding a project that has the rhinestones because they are just gorgeous and so much prettier than just the regular little drill bits. See, so there's that. And then here is the other one. So you can see here is the little mark right there. So then I know that it goes to this one. Just go ahead and pick up one of those. And just pull your little plastic film back. And go ahead and lay that down in there. Like that. So you can just go ahead and do all these. So I do these while I watch TV. And I kind of work on it like this since it's a small enough project that it fits in my hand. That's how I work on them, is I just work little by little and I leave the little plastic film on. So that way, you know, I could just go ahead and hold it comfortably, because if I take this off, I've done it so many times where I stick my finger in to the glue, like the little sticky, and I'm like, oh man, you know, so I just leave the little plastic on. So that way it just protects it as I work on it. And I don't have a problem doing it that way. Or you could just pull this whole thing off and work at it all at once. It's just kind of up to you. So yeah, this little project, like, I'll be done with both sides in, you know, less than an hour. And like I said, I have, you know, a movie playing in the background usually. So that's it, you guys. I will leave a link down below to their website and to each product for you guys. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope this was helpful and gives you an idea on how to go ahead and set up your kits. And if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the description box. I'm happy to help, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.